Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got another fresh trade-in. This is a 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless, one of the hottest boats that Boston Whaler has ever made here. And this one's completely loaded. As you noticed up on the bow there when I walked by, we've got a Minn Kota spot lock trolling motor, twin power poles at the back, twin white Mercury engines with 630 hours on them. Step up top here. Walk through the inside. We've got onboard charging for shore power, raw water washdown, multiple rod holders throughout. This rear seat here is pretty cool because it flips down quickly to become a casting pad. We've got our bait prep station with live well, space for a cooler underneath, and this one has the side door option as well for boarding. At the helm, we've got electronic throttles, twin Simrads, Mercury vessel view, integrated VHF radio with Fusion audio and JL audio speakers throughout. Starboard side access to the head. You can see down there we have a table as well that's going to mount up front. Big sun lounger here with two more sun loungers on the side here. Underneath each of these is a freezer box. Table pops in right there. Underneath our door up front, we've got a deployable ladder for beach boarding as well as anchor storage. Finally coming back around here, you can see we've got easy access all the way around this boat. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any other boat that you see here in the background, give me a call or send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.